All right. Thank you very much for inviting me and having over here, very familiar places, and then Surrey, and then I basically finished my PhD here, and then also also having some guest lecturing over here, and then thank you very much for Frankie inviting me back to Surrey University. So I'm currently working for FOTOR. So we are a visual engine for commerce, and this is our pitch deck currently. So let me move on to the next page. So currently we have over 800 million users worldwide. And then we started our business since 2012. And then at that time, we were in the photo editing era, which is competing with Meitu and also the other competitors. But now within the AI era, we're starting to do some more AI generation stuffs from image to video and video to video. And now we're also having voiceovers and also the other AI API on our platform. We also have our own trained model as well. Currently, if you later, I will do a short demo on our app and also our web page, and then to show you how to use it properly. So currently, those are our some stats. Except for mainland China, we didn't cover the market in mainland China. It's very competitive over there. So we mainly focus on East European countries, US, and also Latin Americas. So among 200 countries. So what we are doing is currently we do from ideation to creation to design to editing and publishing, which means it's the whole workflow of marketing contents and also all of the visual related publishment. So no matter you are doing ideation, for example, if you have multiple ideas, you want to use the photo generation or you want to do the image generation, you can start from ideation. But when you want to do some more creations, you can also combine with some other tools. For example, you can, after you generate image or videos, you can also put in some more concept into your own workflow. And then afterwards, after you have generated some of the image already, you can also put on some designs as well. So for example, you can put some characters, you can put some more graphic design, stickers, and so on the same assets that you delivered. And then we're also having editing. So we're still keeping all of our traditional tools like HSL, HDL, and adjusting the curves. And also you can manually also doing some removing. For example, you can use magic eraser to remove the background and then remove the people that you don't want, or also some figures that you don't want. So we're still having all those editing sections, which most of them are free. So eventually we also do publishing. So currently in terms of publishing, we have over we have a skills, which is a batch setting. For example, if you're having so many assets from e-commerce or marketing needs, or even you have a digital contents that you want to publish. So we can do a batch setting, which means that if you have over 50 assets or 50 social media contents, and then in different sizes, for example, for TikTok, for LinkedIn, and then for X.com, and for all of the other social media platforms, you can all in one click, you can just publish it into different kind of sizes to fit into different social media platforms. And currently, we also have covered all of these sectors. For example, social media, for example, personal and lifestyle sharing, and also product design. We have the batch setting in terms of the product design. We're also having for online educator, and especially for marketing and also branding, entrepreneurship as well. So we now currently having the biggest change is in the e-commerce, because e-commerce is frequently you need to use all of the visual things, no matter you have a latest product update. Sorry. If you have the latest, sorry. Some sound over here. So I think there was some echo here. Sorry. There's some echo over here. So for e-commerce, focus the most currently. So we have like a new launching on our e-commerce platform as well.
The echo.
Sorry, we have some so for the e-commerce, I have several. For example, this is my mock-up brand. There is no like this kind of brand exists currently. It's just I made it up. So it's called slow motion. For example, if I have a brand and then I only have the logo and only having the product photos, and then I can use AI generation to set up like few scenarios. For example, it's for outdoor activity. For example, I want this model, my target customer, holding this water bottle. And then also I want to show out that the functionality of this water bottle can also keep the warmth in the very extreme like cold weather. So that's why like I set up like these three of them. I use AI generation using software. You can choose different models, for example, from Banana Pro, and then today we're also having GPT image too. Later you can also try on, and also we have the other very good models as well from Seed Dance, Seed Dream, and also we have Mid Journey on our platform as well. So using all of these tools, you can like set up your own like contents immediately, and then without like you need to without that you need to hire a bunch of like pros or you need to hire a lot of people and to generate all those content. You can like in one click you can just like finish all of this social media content. So actually this one is a video, but like today I can only show you like this picture. And so like this, I want this lady who's like doing a workout in the gym. So this is like a perfect setting for my product for this water bottle. So in the gym, and then she's holding this water bottle. But like over here, it's actually a video that I slightly from like image to video, and then you do the generation by choosing like different kinds of models again. So like using image to video is like better for your content because it is like setting up for this specific content. Element combination. This is also another functionality on our platform that you can like very like restricting the AI from giving you some random things. For example, if you have a model and then you have your product picture, and then you can like set up like four different kinds of like content. So this model is holding this bag, or this bag is showing up in some more like a brand visual status. So elements combinations, we now currently support like 7 different elements. So you can upload like more than 7 images. For example, I want to, this model is wearing this product in this kind of scenario. So I can like combine them all together, and then you can just ask AI to like generate within these frames instead of giving you some random things. So then the AI will gonna give you like specifically based on your need, and then to create the content or the asset that you want. So this is another video, but today, due to the time constraint, we will not gonna play it, and later I will gonna do the demo. Over here, I have some sharing how I do the prompt. So prompting is always a flow. And so how to do like a perfect prompting to do kind of like ask the AI to execute it within your own like specific requirement. So first of all, I will just like try to tell AI what kind of style is that, and then what is the main character. And then second of all, I will do the composition. For example, like the main subject in what kind of like in what kind of area, in the center of the image or the other. And also, I will also provide some more supporting information. For example, I want this kind of people place in what position. Then I want what kind of layout is that. And then afterwards, you can also provide some lighting and also camera language. For example, what kind of angles you want to put on, and then what kind of like lighting or what kind of like sort of like filter, or you can also like if you are having your specific own types, you can keep those like camera language, and then next time you can reuse it. Or you can also ask like the other AI models and give you like, some specific prompts. For example, like Nana Banana, they have like some specific ways to do the prompting, and then you can just like use Gemini and then like do the prompt and then put it to our chatbot and then start to generate. So we also having our AI agents. So later, if you are interested, you can ask me for the video and then I can play it for you. So for AI agents, we are basically just like using more natural language and then to do the interaction with our AI agent and then generate the image or the video that you want. Mm-hmm. We also currently having the photo skills as well. So for the video later, I will also like based on your requirements, I will also post it on, but you can also post it on the website for it, which is also very nice. So the photo skills is like we provide like the markdown page, and then basically with OpenFloor or block code, you can easily just execute all of your settings in like a very small amount of time. So we currently also having our co-learning section, which is like a weekly basis to helping people who want to do like image and video generation very well. So they can just like freely to join our co-learning session. And then if you are interested in this, and you can also reach out to me. And then this week we have like another co-learning session together. So next, I was gonna do the demo for our webpage. So if you guys can also like join us, it will be very fabulous. So over here today we have provided all of you guys and also online and also for the participants that we're gonna join us in different and also different directions to do the petition. Account. So I'm using like a purely like fresh account over here. So this is our platform. You can also log into FOTOR.com and then register. So very simple to register. You can use your Gmail directly linked to FOTOR. So over here, so yesterday we have just released GPT image 2. So you can also try on. If you are using your phone, we also have having FOTOR on App Store and also Google Store. You can also download it. For GPT image 2 is only live on the web page so far. So you can also try on our new models over here. So so first of all, we can like browse the AI photos. So over here we have AI image generator. So you can start to by providing some reference picture. For example, if you're already having your logos for your brand, or perhaps you're already having your product picture or your own little like sketch, for example, you can just doodle on any thing and then upload it as the reference image. Now I'll just directly put like a text to image. So over here, I can choose image to image, text to image. And the models, I can choose our own trained models, and then this will cost like slightly less credit. So now you see like all of the different models, like they need to consume credit. For example, with OpenAI here, and then we have GPT image 2. So it was gonna cost like more than 5 credits, right? So now I need to redeem some credit. So today we over here we can go to buy credit, but we are providing 100 credits for everyone today. And the code over here. So I will provide 100 credits, which is like go to the pricing. And then if you choose have a promo code for APR, and this is our today's promo code. And then later I will also like put it on the other channels, and then you can also like redeem using this code. And then now you have the FOTOR Pro for 1 month, which allows you like within this month you can just like browsing all of the features and also models get put.
And so these facilities are just on the website, or so I now installed your application on phone from Google Play. Can I use this code on my phone as well?
So because we are providing the redeemable code, and then for the app, we currently cannot like do any like redeemable code because they are like using Apple Pay or Google Pay. So now, if you want to redeem the code, you can do it on the web page first, and then if you re-log in on your on your app, then it's still gonna work, and then automatically goes to your account.
All right. So for now, I can use the website and
yes, you redeem it over the website, and then you re-log into your own like, app on your phone.
Oh.
So now you're already having the FOTOR Pro, so you can like confirm that. So now you're good to go, and then you can start generation and also editing. So over here we can like go back to the main area. So if I want to do AI photo, and then I want to try on the latest model today. Like anyone can get me anything that you want to generate. I choose GPT image 2. And then I can also choose the setting in terms of like what kind of ratios that you want. Also what kind of quality, and also the numbers of the image. So for example, I want anyone else want to do like prompting more? I already set up Elon Musk sitting in Surrey University and do what kind of thing. And all of the workflow within the same platform. And we have the latest one, which is also video to video. It's like providing reference video, and then based on your original video, and then create another video. So we also have Magic Sync and also Avatar. So this is more for like anyone who wants like a digital character, for example, if you are a game designer or if you are a developer, and then an avatar for your product, and then you can start it to use avatar. Also, you can also provide image and upload audio, so you can start to type in your script over here, and then you can just choose like what kind of like voice stuff, for example, I want Veronica to do the voice for me, and then you can choose different kind of things that fit into your own brand, and then you can click generate.
Okay, I got this because I got a question. So this image and video created, will it become a public, we go to the public domain somehow, or how the company will make use of this image or video? Does it belong to you or does it belong to me?
Belongs to the user.
Right, so your company won't keep the image or video.
So it depends on you. If you want to publish it, for example, we currently have a community. If you publish it to our community, then we can have the whole
Okay. Okay.
We can share it.
Okay, thank you for all the time, and then we also thank you for Nora, and then our chair want to give you a certificate of statement. Thank you. Take a photo here.